Hi, I'm Georgie. I work for Canadian Affair in the UK, and today we're actually in the Myra Canyon and we're cycling along the Kettle Valley Railway. The scenery is absolutely stunning. I've never experienced anything like this. It is just spectacular, it's majestic. There's no other way to describe it. I'm really struck for words because it is just so beautiful. This has actually been on my bucket list and I'm so happy to be here. I don't think anywhere else in Canada or the world that you could experience this. It was so much fun, like really amazing. The most unique experience I think I've ever had.